Welcome to the Throttle channel that brings you an alluring motor vehicle experience. Alright, let's dive into the world of the iconic Land Rover Defender 90 TDI. This rugged vehicle holds a special place in automotive history, known for its unmatched off-road capabilities and timeless design. In this comprehensive guide and review, we delve into the world of the Land Rover Defender 90 TDI. Learn everything you need to know about this iconic off-road vehicle, from its performance to its design and capabilities. Whether you are a Land Rover enthusiast or simply curious about the Defender TDI, this video has got you covered. Watch now for an in-depth look at the Land Rover Defender 90 TDI. Introducing the Land Rover Defender 90 TDI, a beloved model cherished by off-road enthusiasts worldwide. With its robust characteristics and reputation for conquering the toughest terrains, this vehicle has become a legend in its own right. Now, let's address the challenges faced by the Land Rover Defender 90 TDI. From its age to the maintenance issues and the availability of spare parts, these are the hurdles that owners often encounter but overcome with passion and dedication. Moving on to explore the key features of the Land Rover Defender 90 TDI. From its powerful engine to its impressive off-road capabilities and rugged interior design, this vehicle is a true beast both on and off the road. Now, let's shine a spotlight on a key moment, whether it's a review of a specific model year or a comparison with other off-road vehicles in its class. This is where we delve deeper into what sets the Land Rover Defender 90 TD apart from the rest. In conclusion, the Land Rover Defender 90 TDI continues to captivate hearts with its enduring appeal and unique charm. Its legacy lives on, and its spirit of adventure remains unmatched in the automotive world. Before we wrap up, I encourage you to share your own experiences with the Land Rover Defender 90 TDI in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting automotive content.